production of the next-gen Golf doesn't start for over a year, but new spy shots give us an amazing looks at it. The next-gen Volkswagen Golf has been spotted testing, and the engineers apparently didn't see much reason to keep the model under wraps because they left the hood up and the cabin largely exposed. It's rare to get such a good look at an upcoming model, but the shots tell us a lot about the new hatchback. Underneath the skin, the new Golf reportedly rides on a modified version of the venerable MQB platform. An increased use of lightweight materials allegedly helps the hatchback shed around 110 pounds, 50 kilograms. VW also intends to offer a variety of engines with a 48-volt mild hybrid system for improving fuel economy. The company's increased use of cylinder shutoff and engine off coasting would also improve efficiency. VW will begin production of the 8th generation in June 2019, and they'll go on sale in the fourth quarter of that year.